have not used Carbquik before, but I'm very excited that I could actually have pancakes. So I am using the recipe on the side of the box, divided it in half, and I'm using 1 cup of Carbquik, 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream, and 1/3 of a cup of water, and I'm using one of these little pancake makers. I have it heating up. I've already measured out my 1 cup of Carbquik. To that, I'm going to add a cup of water, and I'm also going to add in 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream. I have 1 egg. Just going to beat it slightly and add it to the mix. And I'm just going to mix this up while my pancake maker continues to heat. I always remember in junior high school when we used to have something called home economics. The home ec teacher would say, lumpy batter makes the best pancakes. So that's why I'm just going to mix this by hand and pray that her suggestions from back in the day still hold true and that my lumpy batter will actually make the best pancakes. Clearly, this is the first time I'm using this as well. So I give it a couple of more minutes, let it heat up, and then I will add the pancake mix to it. The batter seems to be very thick. I'm going to try it. I don't think you can put too much in here. Fold it down. I let this cook for 3 minutes. And I guess that's pretty perfect. I purchased a bottle of Lancanto monk fruit sweetened maple flavored syrup. And I guess this is as good a day to try it as any. I wouldn't suggest using this little pancake maker if you have a big family, because at 3 minutes per pancake, even this small batch that I have right here could take a while. I'm gonna pour a little maple syrup on there, give it a little taste just to see what the pancake tastes like. And it's actually very good. I will continue to make my 3-minute pancakes, and I can say that Carbquik for ketogenics has a very good taste. I'm just checking to see what a serving size is. Probably just 1 pancake, because a serving size of their cheddar cheese biscuits is 1 biscuit. So make small pancakes, and this way you can have maybe 3. Bon appetit. The Carb made 7 pancakes on the half recipe that I used. They are indeed delicious. I wouldn't necessarily recommend using the little pancake maker because it is a little time consuming, unless of course you're just cooking for 1. These pancakes I will take and I will freeze them. And I'm basically only going to eat 1 pancake at a time. I think that's probably about the equivalent, but 1 pancake is better than no pancakes. So I would definitely recommend this Carbquik as a substitute for things that we have been missing, but we really do enjoy.